Silencing notification alerts on the Galaxy S24 can help reduce distractions and provide a more focused user experience. This can be done in two ways, and that's what we're going to show you in this video. The first method is by disallowing the messaging app to push notifications. This is how you do it. Tap and hold the messages icon until the options appear. Tap the app info icon. On the next screen, tap notifications. Tap the switch to the right of allow notifications to disable it. This will immediately silence the notification alerts for the messaging app. However, if you want to receive notifications but don't want to be disturbed by the sound, then leave the switch enabled, but make sure to select silent in the alert section. This particular screen can also be accessed by going to settings and tapping on apps. Look for the Messages app and tap on it. Then tap notifications and you'll see the options to silence the notifications for the app. Furthermore, the Do Not Disturb feature not only silences notification alerts, but also offers the convenience of scheduling quiet hours when you prefer not to be interrupted. To set it up, launch Settings and then tap Notifications. Select Do Not Disturb and then enable the switch to enable it. This automatically silences all notifications. You can add a schedule and then pick the days and time when you want to enable it automatically. Once it is set up properly, you won't have to do it again as the phone enables it automatically on designated date and time. And these are just two of several ways to silence notification alerts. We hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching.